Let's be honest, sometimes YouTube SEO makes you want to hide under your covers with a pint of ice cream and not even worry about it. But it does not have to be difficult. And I'm going to be sharing with you today a tool that's going to help you figure out the YouTube optimization stuff that may be stressing you out. Hi, I'm Trena, and I started this YouTube channel to help creative entrepreneurs like you get on YouTube to grow your business. Because as a busy mom and business owner, I need these videos working for me 24 hours a day while I'm changing diapers and chasing kids across the street. One of the biggest stressors I get from my clients and students is stressing over YouTube optimization. What keywords should I pick? What tags should I use? How am I going to rank? So today I wanted to walk you through a tool that I use called VidIQ. VidIQ lets me do quite a few things like finding tags and keywords to go after, and also seeing how other videos are ranking and if they are trending. So why don't we pop onto my computer and I'm going to walk you through how I use this Google Chrome extension to lessen my stress on optimization. So VidIQ is basically like a Google Chrome plugin that can help you optimize your videos a little bit better. You can go to vidiq.com and you'll see it says more views, less time. Sign up using VidIQ to grow your YouTube channel for free. If you go here and you sign up, you can also get a Google Chrome plugin, which I have right here. I'll show you what it looks like on YouTube in just a second. But the homepage here shows you all the different options that VidIQ gives you, and I can show you what mine looks like on the inside, the data that I get. So it gives you similar information that YouTube analytics give you, but VidIQ's analytics are just a little bit cleaner. So in this chart right here, it's showing you the numbers on your channel from May 13th to June 11th, and you can very easily just click whatever you want to look at. So if I want to see how many YouTube views I got this month, I can click on YouTube views. Maybe I want to see, what are my YouTube searches versus suggested videos, what's doing better. You get an easy look at demographics. You can see your top performing videos during this time period, also your top search results. And a really cool feature is your best time to post. So this is showing me that a lot of my audience is watching Sundays at around 8 p.m. and I don't even post at that time. So these bigger dots show when your channel is more active, so that could be a better time for you to post. It's also going to show you trends, so what my views look like in the past 7 days versus 30 days, and just an overall overview here. So it's a little bit cleaner to read than YouTube analytics. If you go over to videos, it's also going to give you some details on your videos. So I just posted this video 4 hours ago. I'll have 14 tags. I have 113 views. So it just gives you some overview. Now this is probably one of the more important ones you're looking for. You're looking for SEO. So you can type in a keyword here like how to get more YouTube views. And then hit enter, and it's going to give you the top keywords for this particular phrase. And it's going to give you a little bit more information. So it's going to give you an overall score here, and you want to look for something that has a good score, right? So how to get more YouTube subscribers may be a better video for me because it has a score of 61, or maybe just adding YouTube views as my keyword and just jazzing up the title to really make it stand out, and making sure I use YouTube views in the description box and in tags. So this can help you come up with tags as well. So here's another one, how to increase the YouTube views. So basically any kind of topic you have, like how to grow an Instagram account, you can see what people are searching for that's going to work well on YouTube. So here's a tag that you would want to use. You'd want to use Instagram. You'd want to use Instagram followers. Maybe you would want to use the title Instagram tips in there and jazz it up. Maybe you'd also want to use followers as your keyword. So that's kind of what you're getting inside of VidIQ. Then on your channel, you can look at trending videos from VidIQ. And so you'll see right now, some of my trending videos is my YouTube workflow, which I just uploaded today. Another trending one is how to get 1,000 subscribers. So it's going to show me which of my videos are doing well, and maybe I would want to create another video similar to these and capitalize on the traffic that these videos are getting. You can also go to stats, and it's going to give you an overview of your channel stats. So it'll give you your view rank, how many Twitter followers, Facebook followers, subscribers, all on this page. Then here's a cool feature, VidIQ. If you grab the plugin right up here, I have the Google Chrome plugin. It's going to give you some information about your competitors. So this is Video Creators, and he uploaded a video on how to grow a YouTube with 5 hours a week. If I wanted to potentially drive traffic from this video, I could see, is this a good video to hit? Is it still growing? It's only getting around 3 views per hour, so it may not be the best video for me to go after. I would probably want to look for something that was maybe getting, 50 views, 100 views per hour. It also gives you some details about this video that might help you as well. So it's going to give you the video tags that this particular video is using. So if you're stuck on tags, VidIQ shows you some tags that your competitors are using. It gives you some of Video Creators channel stats. So he has over 31 million views and 392,000 subscribers, getting about 277 subs a day. It's also going to give you like this video optimization checklist. So he has his title, tag, description, and you can look at this with your videos too. So here's my video, and it gives me a little bit more information. So I can see top devices right here. Mobile is getting 48% of the views on this particular video, whereas desktop is only getting about 38%. It's telling me about 46.6% of average view time for this particular video. I got about 8 subscribers driven from this specific video. It's giving me an engagement rate of a good engagement rate. It's also going to show that it has 4 Facebook likes. And you can just see it'll break down like your Vid IQ SEO score. You can dig more into that as well, but I don't really look at this particularly. I look at some of the other stuff. You can also, this is an important one to look at referred views and see where your views are coming from. So you can see my website drove 31 views and my Facebook page drove 13 views. I'm getting 6 views from Google search, 3 views from Pinterest. So this is an important one to look at too. Because if you go back to your competitor and see who his top referrers are, it's basically some Twitter accounts. So people on Twitter are sharing his video. But how this could help you is if you have a main media source, or there is a magazine or a website, that what you can do with your competitors' top referrers is see, is there any websites that you could pitch to share your video to? So if maybe, Social Media Examiner is one of Tim's top traffic sources, maybe you could reach Social Media Examiner and ask if you could do a post for them as well. So it just kind of helps you, broaden your reach. And lastly, VidIQ has this quick little plugin up here at the top of your YouTube channel, so you can grab some statistics really quickly instead of having to go through the rigmarole of clicking on your icon, going into your Creator Studio. You get basically how many views you had the last 60 minutes, the last 48 hours, are your views up or down in the past 7 days. So I always look at this when I log into YouTube just to see how I'm doing. Overall, I like VidIQ. I pay for the bottom. You can get started for free and get access to a lot of these features without even having to pay by getting in the basic level. I have the pro level, and that's all I really need, and it's about $7.50 a month if you pay for it in a year. I have not done Boost or Enterprise, so you could definitely get off with just using the free version if you'd like. Now, you don't have to pay to get this particular version. You can do the free opt-in, and it gives you just as great content. If you want to learn more about YouTube optimization and how to figure it out for your channel, make sure you click the playlist on your screen right now, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel to be notified every time I upload a new video to help you here on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!